Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Steam. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is get a VPN. Look for one with good speeds and many servers. Once the VPN is set up, choose the country where you want to change your Steam store region. You need to connect to the server, then open your Steam. Now open your Steam app, go to the store and add a game to your shopping cart. For example, let's add this game. Scroll down and click on Add to Cart. Once added, click View My Cart. In the shopping cart, click Continue to Payment. Now look for a hyperlink that says Set your store region preferences. Click on it. You should see a message that says your country is set to Pakistan, which is the country we connected to earlier. Once that's confirmed, click X to close that window. Alternatively, the option to change your store region might appear at the top of the page. If you click on it, you will be able to select your preferred country. After selecting your new region and currency, the price of the game will update to reflect the currency of the country you've chosen. Now click Continue and choose your payment method. Please note your billing address must be in the same country you have selected, including the zip code. Once you have entered the payment details, proceed to checkout and enjoy your purchase. You need to keep in mind that Steam allows you to change your store region and currency only once every 3 months. Changing your region requires a billing address from that region, and your payment method must be linked to that country. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.